My video is about removing OnlinePDFConverterSearch.com, a browser hijacker that attacks Google Chrome browser today. At the first glance, it might look like the features delivered by OnlinePDFConverterSearch are genuine. Some people might think that it's a handy service that may allow you to convert various files to PDF format and vice versa. It also gives some currency conversion, cryptocurrency calculator, basically the things that you may get easily online without the need to install any extensions. However, the problem is that this online PDF converter search extension is often spread through bundling with free applications. So people may install this extension, this hijacker, unintentionally, and as a result the browser may be hijacked, and when you submit some search queries, the results will be delivered by Yahoo search or by Bing search or by something else unfamiliar to you. If you are not satisfied with such changes, you need to immediately access your browser, click on More Tools and Extensions. At this point, carefully examine all your available extensions here, and if you find something suspicious, hurry up to deactivate it and to remove it completely. Also, of course, it's a good idea to visually examine your currently available Mac applications, and if you detect something suspicious here, remove it by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash. However, the problem with many adware type apps is that often they are concealed in your computer and you cannot visually establish their presence. So I recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded and installed, wait until the antivirus database is updated and finally click on Start Combo Scan to begin the detailed research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.